Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make your desktop look awesome in 3 minutes. I'll show you guys how to do it. First we need to clean our desktop. Just right click on it and select view and uncheck this show desktop icons. Now right click on the taskbar and select taskbar settings. Search icon. This one you just need to select search icon only and turn off all the options under here guys. Task view widgets and after that scroll down, expand the taskbar behavior, set this to center, taskbar alignment. After that just close stuff here. Now check my video description for this download link guys. Just download these 5 files. Just click on the three dot icon next to it and select the download option for these 5 files one by one. This will scan for any virus in here on this right side and it will download one by one guys. After getting download and select the folder icon. Now you just need to install the transcolon tb. Just double click on it and select the install option and select continue. After installing it, it will open up in the background. Now right click on the transcolon tb and extract all and select extract. Do the same thing for skins or here. Just right click and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, now you just need to install the rounded tb. Just double click on the extracted folder, double click on it, install the rounded tb, and it will install so quickly guys. It will be running background as you can see. And now go back to downloads and just minimize it. Now you just need to go to search menu and type Microsoft Store, click on open it and search for lively wallpaper and just to search for live wallpaper and comes up lively wallpaper 4.1 star rating. Select the install option and install it. After getting installed and open it. After opening the lively wallpaper program, we just need to go back to downloads and we have downloaded the live wallpaper. Just need to drag and drop to this application and select OK, and it will be added. And now it will be added in your background. Just click on it and make sure it. Now you just need to go back to downloads and install the rain meter guys. Just double click on the rain meter and select OK and install it. Standard installation. After the installation done, select the finish option and it will be done. Now you just need to install the skins. Just right click and select download. Do the same thing for these. And now double click on the skin folder, double click on the skins and double click on it and select install one by one. After getting both installed, now you just need to click on the system tray, right click on the rain meter, just and select manage. And now expand the visualizer and select the visualizer.ini and select load. And now open the row peak and do the same thing for clock ini and select node. And now expand the song ini and select load. And now just to close stuff here, this will minimized in taskbar. Now you just need to drag and drop like where preferred location. You just need to play a song for visualization to work. The final thing we need to do is click on the system tray. You just need to right click on the transcolon TB and select desktop and select acrylic, and again select the system tray and right click on the rounded TB and select show rounded TB. In margin you just need to type 3, corner radius type 5 and select the advanced option. And now this will opens up like this. If it is not open, select the three dot icon and it will be opened. Make sure margin is 3 and corner radius is 15. Dynamic mode, checkmark it, show system tray hover, checkmark it, fill taskbar when minimized, checkmark it and select apply to save changes and just close stuff here. And now just restart your PC and the system is ready to use, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.